Hello and welcome. Today it's not a cooking video, rather it's a video about what I'm going to wear this Raja. I'm sharing with you three Raja looks of this year. So as you can see, the first look is all about the silk sari and these jewelry. So I'm going to wear these bangles. Nothing is gold here. I keep all my gold jewelry in my house in Odisha. So this is just 1 gram jewelry that I have. This piece has very intricate work. It has that reddish gold color, and it has a matte finish. This is a long necklace, and I wanted something really grand to go with this silk sari. So this long necklace really went well. You can see here, I don't know whether you can see in the camera or not, but this necklace has really intricate work and well finished work. Have this beautiful parrot green bomkai silk sari. The palla is red and the border is also red. Let me just flip and show you the back side. It has very thin layer of net that protects the threads, because most of the time these threads in the palla get tangled in the bangle. That's why this net really helps. No look can be completed without a heavy Odisha silk sari. So I have chosen this beautiful silk sari for the first look. You can see here the basic border of a Bomkai silk. So this is going to be the first look. Let me share the pics with you. For the second look, I have here a linen sari. This is a grey linen sari which has a combination of yellow and pink. This linen sari is of very fine quality. I love linen sari. In my closet, you'll find many linen saris. I just love the texture and the fall of it. So I buy a lot of linen saris, and this is the jewelry that I'm going to wear. Um, and this sari has a beautiful palla, and it has tassels in it, which is my absolute favorite. So this is the border. It has a combination of yellow and pink, and this is the palla. I just love the stripes and it looks absolutely beautiful. A very sober look that I'm going to share today. With the linen saris, the look has to be a little sober. This is the necklace that I'm going to wear, and I'll just share a small story about this necklace. Last year, I went to a boutique who used to sell, handmade jewelry. I took my mother with me, and the moment I saw this necklace, I just fell in love with this set. The earrings I have lost already, so I just loved this necklace. But my mother was not very convinced, and anyhow she couldn't say anything because I loved it so much. She just chose to be quiet, and I bought it. And while coming back home, and she's like the typical mother, Odia mother, and she's telling me ଆଉ 1000-2000 ପକେଇଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ଇୟରିଂ ହେଇଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା, ଏତେ ଏଇ କପଡ଼ାର ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ସୂତା ନେକଲେସ୍ ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଦେଲୁ. So that's it. So this is the earring, the tops rather. This is antique silver tops that I have. And again, my mother told me something really funny. She saw this ear piece, and she told me, କଳା ରୂପା ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବ, ଆ ଦେହରେ ତ କେତେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. So she's like that. So this is the combination I'm going to wear. So let's share the pics. And this is the watch that I'm going to wear. This is the final look, which is again going to be a very gentle look. I have here this beautiful printed pure silk sari which has a resham woven border to it, and this is the jewelry. I have this Meenakari bracelet. I don't wear much jewelry in my hand because my hands are very thin, so just 2 by 2 is my bangle size, less than 2 by 2. So this is the watch that I'm going to, this is a very old DKNY watch, pretty old, 5 years, 6 years old. And these are the earrings, very basic earrings. I normally buy big chunks of jewelry. As I said, I buy bigger pieces of jewelry, and this is a very simple piece. I don't think I have bought it, maybe somebody has gifted me, so I somehow found it and chose to wear with the sari because I wanted the look to be very, very simple. I have lots of costume jewelry. If you want, I can make another video of that. I have really few really good pieces of jewelry, and all the jewelry, gold jewelry, is at home. So this is the look I'm going to carry. And pure silk saris are really wonderful to wear because they are very light. It's like feathers, very manageable, looks pretty, and very comfortable to wear. So for summer, this is the best sari that you can wear. And I have quite a good collection of pure silk saris. In fact, I buy a lot of hand woven saris. I love linen, khadi, silks, hand woven silks, and printed pure silks. So you'll find pretty much saris from every state of India. So I have quite a collection. My mother calls it like you have a mini shop in your home. So I have quite a good collection of saris. If you want, I can share my saris with you. So let's share the look. So this is how I'm going to celebrate my Roja this time. Hope you like the video. These times are difficult, so do take care of yourself and celebrate your Roja with lots of good food and festivities. We will meet next time. Till then, bye bye.